Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. I hope all are doing well. Today I'm going to review Plum hair mask. This is Plum Avocado hair mask. I had bought this for one trial point from the Smitten app. I had bought this from the trial section of the Smitten app. This product is available on Nykaa, Myntra, Flipkart, Amazon, Smitten, and on the Plum website too. On the Plum website, you can get the buy one get one offer. Means not every time, but sometime you can get, and everywhere you can get the discount. This is non-sponsored video. Let's see the ingredients. First is it contains avocado. Avocado is the deep conditioner for all hair types and prevents freeze. Second ingredient is argan oil, which prevents the split ends and retains the moisture. Third ingredient is shea butter, which nourishes the hairs and prevents the breakage. How to use this? Gently remove the excess water from the wet or shampooed hairs. Then take the required amount of mask on your palm and apply to hair lengths. Focus on the hair ends. Leave it for 20 minutes and rinse it thoroughly. Now gently pat dry with towel. Here is my honest review. Now I have oily sensitive skin on my face and the scalp is oily to normal. This one is not that oily, feels so smooth. I mean the consistency is very fine, smooth, butter like. The hairs after using this mask feel so nourished on that same day. I use this as like a conditioner after shampoo. Then I take the quite more than coin size amount to apply on the hair strands or hair lengths only. I especially concentrate on the hair ends. Then I keep it at least for 10 to 15 minutes and then rinse it thoroughly. The quality of this product looks so good, but my hairs don't need that much amount of nourishment. I mean, I don't use that much extra products for my hairs, so I will not buy anything extra other than shampoo and oils. But yes, this one is suits to my hairs very well, so you can also try. Thanks for watching.